Welcome. Today, we delve into the critical domain of HR standardization. In an increasingly complex business landscape, precision and consistency in human resources are not merely advantageous. They are imperative for operational excellence and strategic alignment. This guide provides a comprehensive framework, outlining robust implementation strategies, proven best practices, and the tangible benefits that accrue from a standardized HR function. Our objective is to equip you with the knowledge to transform your HR operations into a model of efficiency and effectiveness. Standardizing your HR processes yields a multitude of strategic advantages. Firstly, it ensures streamlined operations, enhancing efficiency and effectiveness across all HR functions. Secondly, it significantly bolsters regulatory compliance, minimizing legal risks through consistent adherence to statutory requirements. Thirdly, you will observe better talent management, improving both recruitment and retention through enhanced equitable practices. Fourthly, it leads to increased employee satisfaction, fostering a supportive and transparent work environment. Ultimately, these benefits collectively drive organizational growth by strategically aligning HR with overarching business objectives. The cornerstone of any high-performing organization lies in its ability to operate with maximum efficiency and effectiveness. In HR, this translates to having well-defined processes that eliminate ambiguity and redundancy. By systematically identifying and developing the necessary competencies within your workforce, you empower your teams to perform at their peak. This strategic approach to process optimization and competency development is not just about improving internal HR functions. It is a direct catalyst for enhanced organizational performance and sustainable business growth. Achieving a truly streamlined HR function is paramount for modern enterprises. We advocate for a structured approach, often guided by ISO standards, to systematically enhance your HR operations. This journey begins with a thorough analysis of your existing processes to identify inefficiencies and bottlenecks. Next, you standardize procedures, creating clear, consistent guidelines for every HR activity. Comprehensive training for all stakeholders ensures universal understanding and adoption. Finally, you implement robust policies that formalize these new standards. This methodical approach eliminates redundant steps and automates tasks, freeing HR to focus on strategic initiatives. Effective recruitment and talent management are pivotal to an organization's success. By implementing fair and transparent processes, guided by international standards, you significantly enhance your ability to attract and retain top-tier talent. This includes developing structured interview protocols, crafting precise job descriptions, and employing improved candidate screening methods, all supported by meticulous documentation of qualifications. Adopting these standardized practices ensures you build a workforce that is not only highly skilled, but also deeply aligned with your company's vision and values, preventing long-term operational challenges. In today's regulatory environment, navigating compliance and governance is a non-negotiable aspect of HR. Standardization provides crucial legal protection, safeguarding your organization from potential lawsuits and reputational damage. By establishing an ISO roadmap, you ensure your HR practices remain current with evolving laws and regulations, proactively mitigating risks. This commitment to compliance also fosters a robust culture of accountability throughout the organization, where every team member understands their role in upholding ethical and legal standards, instilling ownership and pride in their work. The impact of HR standardization is best illustrated through tangible results. Consider a mid-sized technology company that faced significant employee turnover. By implementing ISO 9001 principles within their HR department, they achieved a remarkable 20% decrease in turnover and a measurable improvement in employee satisfaction. Another organization revamped its recruitment processes to eliminate unconscious bias, leading to a more diverse workforce and a subsequent surge in creativity and innovation. These examples underscore that ISO standards are not just about compliance. They are powerful tools for continuous improvement and strategic advantage. Embarking on the journey to ISO-certified HR excellence requires a clear, systematic roadmap. It begins with an initial assessment and gap analysis to thoroughly understand your current HR practices and pinpoint areas ripe for improvement. This is followed by comprehensive training programs, ensuring all personnel understand the intricacies of the standards. The next critical phase is to execute the implementation plan, bridging identified gaps through process improvements and formalizing procedures. Finally, the process demands continuous monitoring and improvement, ensuring sustained adherence and ongoing optimization of your HR systems. Achieving ISO certification is a significant milestone, but maintaining excellence post-implementation is equally crucial. This requires robust performance monitoring, establishing clear metrics, and key performance indicators aligned with ISO standards. Regular data collection and analysis, coupled with review meetings, are essential for identifying areas for improvement. A strong internal audit program further ensures ongoing compliance. Simultaneously, fostering team engagement is vital. Embed ISO standards into your HR department's culture, ensuring every team member understands their role and takes ownership in upholding these critical standards. Ultimately, implementing ISO standards in HR is a profound declaration of your organization's commitment to quality and excellence. It signifies a dedication to best practices, operational integrity, and continuous improvement. With over 25 years of experience, a 100% success rate in our engagements, and having managed the implementation of an HR department for over 150,000 employees, we understand the transformative power of these standards. Partnering with us means choosing a proven path to elevate your HR function, ensuring it becomes a strategic asset that drives organizational success and fosters a thriving workplace. See our full blog article at msiinternational.com blog and see our Cert Smart Consulting worksheet